So one of the question that was been in GATE 2023 for computer science was the integration of this, right? And the question was basically from calculus integration part and very easy. So if you can see here, there are some limits of integration, that is -3 to 3, -2 to 2, -1 to 1. And thereafter we are having some equation, right? And the order of this integration, these limits will be based on the factor of dz, dy, and dx. So -1 to 1, basically it is for z, -2 to 2, it is basically for y, and -3 to 3, basically it is for x. Now, if you are going to solve, so in this part, that is dz, for first we need to integrate it for dz. So you know what is the limit? If the limit is -a to a, then if your function is any odd function, then the result is always be 0, isn't it? So you can say that this z cube is an odd function. This z cube is an odd function, isn't it? And the limit here is -1 to 1, that is -a to a. That is why we can say that it will lead us 0. So the remaining portion would be like -3 to 3 and -2 to 2 and 4x square y, right, -1 to 1, right? Likewise that z, yes. So if you are going to solve and dy dx, right? So ultimately, the resultant that we need to solve in the next step would be -3 to t and -2 to 2. And if you are going to see here that this y part, right? This y, that is 4x square y dy to dx, then you can simply say that this y is again an odd function, correct? And what is limit we are having? -2 to 2. So the again same, if your function is any odd function and the limit is from -a to a, the resultant is 0. So you can simply say that this will become 0. And if we are integrating it for y function, if we are integrating for the y function, the remaining portion is going to be treated as a constant. Yes, here it you can do 8x, right? So the remaining portion would be treated as a constant, isn't it? The remaining portion would be treated as a constant. So this becomes 0. So ultimately the whole entity will become 0. So the answer would be like NAT type question, you can treat it and answer would be 0. And you only need to implement this shortcut trick. Only this shortcut trick. So basically, the level of integration or level of differentiation or the level of questions for computer science from the calculus parts are going to be very, very easy. We all know about it, because from engineering mathematics, we are having some hard parts on probabilities, permutation combinations, graph theory, set theory, and etc. Right? Like predicate logics. But calculus, many times directly formula based question they ask, for very easy questions like this. So we only need to know about this trick. If we know about this methodology, we can directly solve it, right? So answer for this is 0. If you are having any suggestions, if you are having any kind of suggestions for us, please put it in the comment section, that whether the data that are memory based data of the questions which we are getting from the various platforms are correct or not. If they are not correct, you can mention the correct part in the comment section. And once Gateway is going to release the keys, we are going to update our answers accordingly. Till then, stay tuned with us, guys. We are going to provide you all solutions one by one. Thank you so much. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button so that you can get instant notification from our side. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.